Right.
Good morning, children. Today we are discussing about the assignment number 11. In the first one, write the correct one. Define twin primes. The definition of twin primes they are asking. Already we discussed about the prime numbers. What is prime number? A number which has only two factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. So what is the difference between the primes and twin primes? Twin in the sense two. So the twin primes are the primes which differ by two each other. In that pair, if you are taking the difference of the two primes, if they are two, the twin primes are the primes. That means the twin primes also primes only, which differ by two each other, is called twin primes. Here already we know that the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and all. For example, if you are taking 2 and 3, the difference of the 2 and 3 is 1 only. So that is not a pair of twin primes. So if you are taking 3, example 3, 5. If you are taking this, 3 is also prime number and 5 is also prime number. What is the difference between the two primes? 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So that only this type of pairs we are taking as a twin prime. So twin primes are also nothing but primes only. And the condition is the difference of the two primes should be 2. So this is the definition of twin primes. Second question. Verify whether the given numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 36. These are the given numbers. Are the factors of, these are all factors of 36 or not. They are asking some number they have given. These are all the factors of 36 or not, they are asking. What is a factor? Already we discussed in previous classes. Factor means a number which divides the given number completely. A number which divides the given number completely. What is the meaning of completely? Without leaving any remainder. Without leaving any remainder, we can take it granted as a factor. So now what we have to do it for this 36 is divisible by 1. 36 by divisible by 2 completely or not, we have to check it. So if you are writing down, already we know the process of finding factors. 36 can be written as 1 into 36. 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. This is the way we are finding out the factors. So, what are the factors? Factors means that 1 definitely divides completely. 1 36, the remainder is 0. 2 18, 36, remainder is 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, double time no need write down, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the numbers which divide the given number completely. So in this list our given numbers are present or not, check it. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6. Some there maybe they left. 9 and 1 they didn't give. 18 was not given. And 36. So all these numbers are in the list of factors of 36. So these all numbers divides completely. Therefore, these are the factors of 36. Now second Roman, they have given 2 more questions. Third question. In second Roman, third question, what they ask? Write all the factors of 48 and write the smallest factor of 48. Factors of 48. Just now we learned how to find the factors. 48 is equal to 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 into 12, 5 not possible, 6. 6, 8 48. Now this process when it is completed like that, you can take it granted. This is the way you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. These are the factors of 48. So the factors of 48 is equal to factors of 48 equal to 1. Not if you are writing on 1, comma 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. These are the factors. What the given question? Find out all the factors of 48. So that means 48 is completely divisible by all these numbers. And one more question they ask. What is the least factor? So 1 is the least factor. Not only for 48, for any number, the least factor is 1 only, because 1 divides all the numbers completely. Therefore, 1 is the least factor of any number. In second Roman, fourth question, what they have given? Write 4 pairs of twin primes. Are all twin primes relatively prime or not? They are asking. Already we discussed about the relatively prime. What is the relatively prime? The relatively prime numbers are the primes which are differ by 2 each other. Then we are calling it as relatively prime. So here they are asking 4 pairs. 4 pairs of, pair means 2 2. 4 pairs of relatively prime, not relatively prime, twin primes. Twin primes are, you can take it one pair. First pair is 3, 5. It is a twin prime because the difference is 2. And second pair is 5, 7. Third one is 7 and 11. Difference is more. That is the reason that is also not pair. So 11, 13. 11 is a prime number. 13 also prime number. And next, after 11 and 13, you can take it 41 and 43. Till then we are not getting anything. So 41, 43. So 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13. 41, 43 are the 4 pairs of twin primes. And one more question they ask. Are all twin primes relatively prime? What is the meaning of relatively prime? Relatively prime in the sense they are co-primes. What is the definition of co-primes? Already we discussed in previous assignment. Co-primes are the numbers which are having only one as a factor. One is a common factor for both the numbers. For any 2 numbers, only one is a common factor. For example, 4, 3 or 3, 4. If you are taking these 2 are, this is prime number, this is composite number. But for these two, if you are taking, the common factor is only 1. Because the factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. The factors of 3 is 1 and 3. So for both of them, the common factor is only 1. Such type of numbers we can take it as co-prime numbers or relatively prime numbers. So what they are asking, these are all whether they are relatively prime or not. So for all the numbers, they are prime numbers only. That is, the common factor is 1 only. Therefore, all they are relatively prime. Last Roman, third Roman. The question is, define prime and composite number. The definitions of prime as well as composite numbers. Find the prime and composite numbers between 10 and 30. Between 10 and 30, the prime numbers as well as composite are asking. First of all, definition of prime number. The numbers which are having only two factors, that are 1 and itself. 1 and itself are called prime numbers. Prime numbers. This is the definition of prime numbers. So the numbers which are having only two factors. That means that number can be divided only with 1 and the itself and the number itself. It can be divisible. So the factors of the given number is only 2 and they are 1 and itself are called prime numbers. Next, composite number. Composite number the numbers having more than two factors, that means it should have minimum 3. So more than two factors are called composite numbers. So if the number is having more than two factors, then we are calling it as composite number. And one more question they are asking. The prime numbers between 10 and 30. Between 10 and 30. Equal to how many are there? 10 after 11. 11 is a prime number. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. So 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29 are the prime numbers between 10 and 30. And composite numbers, other than that, they are all composite. Composite numbers between 10 and 30 equal to 10, 11 after 12, 13 also you are leaving, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17 is the prime number, 18, 19 is the prime number, 20, 21, 22, 20 is the prime number, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So these are the composite numbers between 10 and 30. So this is definition of prime number, definition of composite number, and prime numbers between 10 and 30 and composite number between 10 and 30. Composite numbers between 10 and 30 are 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28.